Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today, we're gonna work on the E36. Cleaned up a little bit on this side, not really on this side, but we got the bed moved over, cleaned up a little bit, moved the EK forward as much as we can. So it's pretty much like touching up here. And E36 is in. We're gonna go ahead and jack up the back of the E36, and we're gonna pull the diff out of it and go ahead and get it welded. So, and the intercooler piping that we dropped off for the EK is done as well. So we'll pick that up and then we'll get that back together and everything, and hopefully soon get it tuned. But for now, let's stop talking and let's get to work. Let's get this EK up in the air, or this E36 up in the air. Got too many cars. Get the E36 up in the air and start pulling this diff out. Alright guys, so we got the axles out. The idiots before put some regular 13mm bolts in this. That's not going to go back in it. Going to get these from BMW and have the original ones in the axles. And then we're going to take the screw bolts out here, which is that 17 that we got. And then the two elephant ear bolts, those are 18s. And then drive shaft, and we should be able to pull this out. And then there's one sensor up here, that's for your speed toe. So make sure you don't break that, yo, or you won't have a speed toe. Pretty much, I mean, basic diff pulling is not too hard, you know. Common sense, you'll have one out. So, yep, two 18s through 17. And these will be, where's it at? This weirdo freaking BMW German shit right here. It's one of these little guys here. I think this is like an E11 or E12, something like that they're called. Yeah, E12. So if you ain't got one, pick one up or you won't be able to pull your diff out because your axles will be in the way. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish pulling the diff out and we'll update you guys then. Alright guys, so we got the diff out. The bottom of this car, like all fucking German cars, are disgusting, especially BMWs. I wish I could do like Jimmy Oaks did to his car and just clean the whole bottom of it and everything. But diff's out. Go ahead and pop this cover off, and we're gonna drain into the drain pan and brake clean the living crap out of it, and then we'll take it over to my buddies so he can weld it up for us. Put it back together and try some tires. So 16 mil. Take off these bolts right here. Dun, 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 dun. You can already start smelling the gear oil. And there is the dirty open diff. It's weird. I've never seen these on a diff before. I guess that's a BMW thing. But yeah, it's pretty dirty. Let's pour this fluid out of it, and then we'll have to clean this material here, brake clean this, clean the magnet on that, and we'll get this diff inside cleaned up as best as we can. So let's see together how dirty this fluid is. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. She's pretty dirty. Alright guys, so I'm gonna lean this up against the wall or something so it can sit up and drain for a couple seconds, for a few minutes, and then I'm gonna start cleaning this and brake cleaning this, and we'll get to the diff. Alright guys, so now you get your brake clean and you spray the living crap out of it. Make sure you get all corners and all sides of it. Just gonna have to rotate it some. Get it all nice. And there's no such thing as over cleaning the diff when you brake clean it, because the gear oil is flammable and you don't want it to catch on fire, stuff like that. And after you brake clean it, let it sit for a little bit before you actually weld it, because the chemicals in it is poisonous when you weld it. I'm gonna do another thorough cleaning with the other can off camera, because you guys see how it is. I mean, it's basic brake clean everything. So we're gonna get all brake cleaned up, and then we're gonna wire wheel this and the cover as well, and then we'll go get it welded. Having fun?
It's coming off, that's for sure.
Things in pieces down here. Ha! Yeah, that's drying up a little bit. She's cleaning that up. I have that piece of metal there that I've made a while back to like extend LCAs for 240s. I'm gonna cut it up and find a piece that fits in here on both sides, and then so we'll be plate welded on both sides. So she's gonna finish cleaning that up, and then I'll cut this up. All right, guys. So got this plate. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut them and see which one fits the best, and we can trim up if we need to trim them up. So let's get to it. So we got them cut up. And I'm gonna let them cool down for a second before I touch them by hand. See which one best fits in both sides of it. And then those are the ones we'll take with us so we can plate weld it. Alright guys, so here are the 3 plates. We'll see which one fits it the best. So yeah. I don't know. They're all almost equally length. Not really, actually. But I'll just bring them all, and I'm sure we can make it work. We're probably gonna have to tack it on, and then in certain spots, and then heat them up and bend them so it takes shape, so it falls in there nice. Wait for him to hit me back up when he's home, and we'll run over there and get it. But until then, we're gonna clean up a little bit and try to get some food, because what is Car to Garage without talking about food? So we'll catch you on a little bit. Burn, baby, burn. We're gonna get it cooking. Then he'll get to welding it. I know y'all remember this car. And that guy. With his hair was like half the size that it is now. Alright guys, so we made it to Julian's. He's going to be welding the diff on the E36. So, see how it comes out. Get a few clips of him welding it up. We'll get it thrown back in. And we'll shred some tires hopefully tonight in it. Yo, you don't need fancy tools to make things happen, yo. Shh.
You make gins?
You know, that Juju fab right there, boy. As long as you ain't a Jew, Juju be there for you.
There for you when you need me.
Alright guys, so the diff is all welded. Looking very, very good, very much nice. I'll get you some light. Look at that, baby. Welded up nice and pretty on both sides. Plate welded and everything on both sides.
Let me give her a spin.
Yeah, we'll give it a little spin around for y'all to see this thing here. Look at that. That side spinning. That side spinning. Ooh-wee. Look at that. Pretty. And this all TIG welded too. See that? Look at that. Baby ain't going nowhere. So we're gonna let it cool down a little bit. Throw some RTV on the bitch, cover it up, install it, and fill it with some fluid. And then we'll do some skids. Alright guys, so diff cover's on. I'm gonna let this tack up a little bit. These are all just hand tightened. And then we'll let it sit for about 30 minutes or so. Then we'll go ahead and torque it down. We get it installed. And then we'll fill it with some fluid. Alright guys, so we got the trunk cleaned out a little bit because it was dirty as hell in here. We got the diff all snugged up. Filled it up with some gear oil. It takes 80-90. So it's about 1.2, 1.3 quarts of it. So that's all I put in it. What you can do is you can lay it down, fill it so it pours out of the fill, and then level it off, close it up, done. But yeah, these are all tight, everything's good. Guess we'll go ahead and throw it in the car. Let's get it. Alright guys, so we got the car back on the ground. Just putting air in this tire that always goes flat. This one should be good. Then we'll go ahead and back it out. and see if she'll do her first skid. We're gonna try and slide that one corner, well, a corner, and then we'll try and do like a donut or something, see how she holds up. So let's get it tired up and moved out. Hey, what are you doing to me? What are you doing to me? Yeah. I love you too, pretty girl. Ow! You headbutting everybody. What are you headbutting everybody for, Sylvia, huh? What are you doing? Alright guys, so back at the house. So we did some donies and got the diff welded. Got a lot of stuff done on the Beamer. The E36 gonna be looking good. I'm gonna end this video here. Get this one edited up, try and get it posted for you guys. Then we're gonna start the next video. Most likely we're gonna be going out, drifting in it, see how the car does. If you like it, dope. Not, then we'll get a 240, I guess. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Smash that like button for me. Comment down below what you guys think about getting this E36 diff welded for me. And like always, please like, comment, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button. And we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.